Well, good morning. My name is Pat McHugh, and I'm the Senior Vice President of Sales for an educational publishing company called Hand2Mind. And I've had a great experience over the past couple of years with a company called Oaken Reeds. Oaken Reeds, the face of Oaken Reeds is Dave Collins. Dave Collins is an amazing vendor. Oh, wait a second. I'm not going to use that dreaded term vendor. As an outside consultant, Dave has developed and has become, in my opinion, a trusted partner. He is a trusted partner, a real professional. And here's why I make that distinction. Dave, in the work that he does with our company, really makes an impact. He makes a really genuine kind of a contribution. And it all revolves around the pre-work that he does, the strong communication that takes place, with his clients. And, in this case, he and I work directly on the kind of a professional development experience that I want to build for my team, for my sales organization. And so I've had nothing but a top quality experience. And now Dave is in the realm of trusted partner, a thought partner, someone who I would bring in and I know is going to make an impact and leave a lasting impression. Dave customizes his sessions to meet your needs. And again, the pre-work that he does and the planning is top notch. It's cost effective. I've had a variety of different trainers over the course of my career, and you get what you pay for, but I'm always very pleased with the arrangement that we get with Oaken Reeds. His sessions are powerful, and I've worked with him on a variety of sessions. He worked for our company with our all company leadership event. Well, this was a larger meeting. We probably had about 120 of our top leaders across the company at an off-site event. And I believe the topic was around inclusive teams. And really, that's when I locked into Dave, because what I witnessed is a guy who's passionate, unique, and is really cut from the same cloth that I am, to tell you the truth. I really like the way he delivers. He's a great listener, too. A strong communicator. And then I hired him for our sales organization, for our sales team, to do tools and skills to lead the Hand2Mind way. All right. And so that was a custom 3-hour workshop with my sales leaders, which really made an impact. And finally, actually, my favorite one was most recently mission-driven storytelling. Storytelling is really hot in business right now. It's been around forever. There are all kinds of books that are written on it. But the power of how do you make messaging stick when you're giving a talk, when you're communicating, telling a story is how you make a connection with people at the beginning of your presentation or your talk. And it's a key part of business. Dave customized a beautiful workshop for us, and I can't recommend him enough. All right. So if you're looking for someone who can make an impact, is a great pre-planner, strong communicator, passionate, unique, someone who will work with you as a trusted partner, not as a vendor, I strongly recommend you looking up Dave Collins and his brand, Oaken Reeds. Hope that helps. My best to you all. Bye now.